Hey guys, what's up? I am back with my awesomely talented assistant. No, I'm just kidding. My little sister, Cecilia.
Don't touch my hair. I'm touching your hair.
Ow! Okay, get the point. Anyways, she's back today to help me out with the challenge.
I'm scared.
She's scared. So there's a store by us. She's never heard of it. It's called World Market. And besides food, it has stuff from like all over the world. It comes to that store and it's really cool. Cecilia, stop it, or you're not gonna do this. Sisters these days. I'm just kidding. And so I bought some food that is kind of like snacky things that I thought was kind of. Two of them are gross, not like gross like bugs or anything, but like different. Yeah.
We'll each get a disgusting
And so there's two disgusting things in this bag, and the rest seem like they might be gross, but not like gross.
Not like,
but just like not taste good.
They might be gross, but not gross. What the heck?
Yeah. So we're gonna be picking each out of the bag, and whatever we get, we each have to try it at
You
the
go
same
first,
time.
It's your video.
Nope. Guess go first.
Not
So take off your glasses.
Why?
Put on these dark sunglasses.
I can't.
Oh, you can open your eyes for that part.
Okay.
Alright, and put your head down. Like, give me your arm. I'm going to tell you when to drop in the bag, and you have to reach for something. Okay, moving your glass. You not looking?
Ow!
Sorry. Alright, into the bag. Oh, snap! You got one of the bad ones. Take the glasses off, put your glasses on, and let's take a look at what she picked. She got roasted seaweed snack.
Let me It felt like cookies.
This is C's Gift is the brand name. It is some roasted seaweed snack.
Do I have to eat
All natural.
I have to eat the whole thing?
We each get to try one.
Okay, I'm not the only one.
You do. We just had take turns picking. Oh! Look at this.
I'll try it first.
Oh my gosh, hold on. This looks like a paper. This is seaweed. Ew.
Give me it. I'll eat it.
Okay, wait. Wait.
Ready?
Okay, wait. No. Don't eat it yet. Smell it.
It doesn't smell bad. I smelled poop, and this smells worse.
Okay, Cecilia.
Okay, ready?
I'm really scared. Wait.
I'm gonna go first. Right now.
We have water next to us. So.
Okay, ready? Go.
What? You can't just do that. You have to bite it. You have to grab the garbage can. Is it gross?
I have to try it.
I told you can't pump this. Is it good?
Frick no.
I'm scared. Just gonna try a little bite. Is it bad, really? I'm really scared.
It's good.
What is that?
We should give these to Dad to try.
We might do that. We might get enough videos somehow. Cicely, stop.
Now your turn to pick.
Oh, that was really disgusting. Alright, seaweed roasted snacks.
I think I'm about to puke.
It was so disgusting.
It was. It tastes. I couldn't even bite into it.
This is. I forgot to announce this during the first part of the video that this is the unknown taste testing
challenge.
because we don't know what the heck we're picking out of the bag. Like I know what's in there and everything, but she
doesn't
doesn't know even what I bought.
But you don't know what you're picking.
But I don't know what I'm picking. So give me my glasses.
Why would you take that? I would rather eat roasted crab legs or something.
Here's this. Yeah. That looks.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, this could be good. This is Dr. Pepper licorice.
I want
She loves Dr. Pepper. No one tried to say tag.
I love Dr. Pepper and I love licorice.
Yeah, so...
Licorice is my favorite candy.
Let's just hope this actually tastes good.
Actually, Starburst is, but Dr. Pepper is my favorite.
Remember, don't bump the thing.
Yeah.
And we're going to see if this actually tastes like Dr. Pepper licorice. And if it actually tastes good.
It'll probably taste better than the roasted seaweed. That tasted like crap, man.
I was disgusted.
That was nasty.
I can't believe we...
No, it stinks. Just...
That's alright.
Maybe... maybe
alright, so just hold on to it. Don't do anything yet. Smell it. So here's our licorice.
It smells just like Dr. Pepper.
It does. Ready?
Set.
1, 2, 3.
It's good.
It tastes like Dr. Pepper soda, so...
We could use these to get the bad taste out of our mouth.
That's good. Okay. That's good.
One.
Alright. Glasses off. I hope you don't pick the other really gross thing. I forgot what it was now. Wait, let me look. Oh, now I know what it is.
Is it worse than roasted seaweed?
Might be. I don't know yet. Oh, you got something good. I hope. This is the Hello Panda chocolate cream filled cookies. She got a good one. Look at that yumminess. Alrighty.
It's like it's pooping. Doesn't it?
It looks actually disgusting.
Wait, let me see the box quick. It does!
It actually does. Okay. Oops.
I want to try it. Yum, yum, yum.
Hold on.
It got little
Wait, let me see what...
It has
It
little
really
panda
does
on
smell
it.
in there. It really smells in our garbage can now.
Oh my god.
Let me see which one you got.
This guy.
Let me see it. I got that one.
Here's this little guy.
Yep.
Ready?
No,
Set,
you gotta smell it. Smells like a cookie. There's chocolate inside. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, that's really good.
That's better than Dr. Pepper licorice.
Mm-hmm.
And coming from me, that's a big surprise.
Thumbs up on the Hello Panda
Double.
chocolate cream filled cookies. Good.
Could move it out of
Is it my turn? Yep.
Yeah.
Hold the
Don't
bag.
pick the bad thing or I'll kill you.
Okay.
Just kidding.
I'll try. Oops, I picked 2 things, I think. Let me recheck. Alrighty. Uh-oh. I'm just kidding. You just seen her face. I was like, uh-oh, and she's like... I don't know if this is going to be good. It looks like a wafer cookie, but I don't know. This is the Prince Polo Hazelnut... Stop it!
I'm trying to
Hazelnut
cover
milk
up.
chocolate confection. But the weird thing is, it's from the brand Kraft, which is a cheese brand.
I thought you said Kraft. Yeah,
From the brand Kraft.
I was gonna say, I don't want to even try it.
Alrighty.
It's by Kraft. That's a cheese. I have a feeling it's gonna be cheese inside of it.
Yeah, this looks like cheese, Cecilia. Alright, so open it up. And that's what it looks like when I broke it off. And there's chocolate all around it. And we're each gonna try it.
I want a big
Ready?
piece.
Wait, first,
What?
how does it smell like?
Good. It smells like
1,
Nutella.
2, 3.
I like it.
I don't like it. Yeah, okay. I'm not the best, but it's alright. It was not pucular like that. I need to drink water, though.
I'm out of water. I was like, oh.
That's gonna suck when you get the bad thing. Unless the bad thing actually tastes good. Her eyes.
Like,
It's like, oh, great. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You got it!
The bad one?
Yeah! Wait, why am I happy? I don't want to try
What is it? What is it?
Alright, don't look, okay? Do you know what the ginger is?
No.
It's like... A ginger is like a root, like a vegetable. And this is called Gingen's Ginger Caramel Candy. Super strength. With the boost of 30% ginger!
What?
See? Fresh ginger. That's what it looks like. I don't know how people in other countries eat this stuff. It's disgusting.
You people are cray-cray. Oh, wait, wait. I felt like a back box of matches.
See, it says all natural, made
Yeah, okay, just I
fresh
get it
ginger.
over.
It's a vegan, fat-free, stimulating, and delicious. We'll find that out.
Delicious.
And gluten-free.
Who cares?
Not me. Scared.
And you thought I was scared.
I'm just scared of it. Oh my god.
Gin. It sounds like you're talking about ginger ale or something. A gin.
People are crazy sometimes.
People are weird.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. It comes like in a little candy thing. Looks like...
If this tastes good...
I will be like really surprised because it's supposed to be good for you. Alright, let's open it up. Okay.
I don't have nails. Wait, I don't need nails to open something.
Oh my gosh, it actually looks okay. So it looks like a piece of caramel. Like a little caramel hard candy.
You could trick Dad with this.
Well, let's see how it tastes. Hold on. Smell
Ready?
it. Smell it.
Not that bad.
It smells like caramel.
Ready?
1,
2,
3. I can't deal with that. It has a bad taste after you spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Oh my god. It like makes your tongue go on fire. Spit it out. It could burn your throat. Maybe. Isn't it hot?
Water up there!
It's like 5 days old.
I don't care.
Do you feel that? Oh my god, it like burns your tongue. Here, have a cream-filled cookie. Oh my god, don't die. What was that? Your face is horrible. That was so disgusting.
It wasn't that bad.
You're dying right now.
I'm kidding. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. We should trick Dad with that and say it's caramel. Mom hates spicy and hot things. She'll put it in her mouth, chew it, she'll be like, bleh.
Well, the rest are good, so that's good.
Well, you said some might be gross.
I said 2. Anyway, 2 is done.
You said some might be a little gross.
Oh, I picked up both.
That's a good thing, actually.
Oh no. These are called red velvet truffles. I don't know.
No, they're called Nuffles.
But they're red velvet truffles.
They're called Nutfuls.
I know, that's the brand name, but like
Red Velvet Truffle.
let's see. No, wait.
Oh, I hate red velvet stuff.
I know, me too.
Great.
Okay, so this is what it looks like a kind of like a white chocolate clump of stuff.
Ready, set.
1. Wait, smell. Ugh!
Ready,
It
set.
smells really bad.
Ready, set, go.
Look at it.
Looks like
I can't. Mm-mm. She's gonna drink all that water. She's gonna have nothing left.
Then next I'll be using your hair detangler spray.
What? That's disgusting.
Next I'll be drinking your perfume, Kat.
How much is left? 2 things are left. Well, you close it, turn around. Put your head behind you and pick one. Pick one. Alright. Hopefully it's not too bad.
I've had
Hershey's Cookies and Cream.
Where'd my glasses go?
Behind you. Sitting on them.
What?
I'm getting there right there.
Here's one.
Hi.
You said
Can I help you?
You said the rest were good, you liar.
What were?
You said the rest of them were good after that seaweed.
I didn't think it was gonna.
Give me 3 bars. You get 3 bars.
Nope.
1 bar each.
You get 2 and I get 1. Wait.
Ready?
That's what it looks like.
I don't care. 3.
No, smell.
3.
1, 2, 1. Ugh.
You don't like it?
Ugh.
Aftertaste.
You're changing my garbage when we're done. There's spit and everything in there. Why am I still chewing it? I don't want to spit it out.
And the left.
Ah! Don't look in there. Don't look in there.
Why? Same worse.
I prayed to dear Lord that this is gonna be okay. It is chocolate cream filled wafers. Ah!
What?
There's an ant on me.
You got ants in your room? I have ants in my room too.
I was like, what are you
We're ant invaded.
No, that was the first one I've seen. I think it went in your water. I flicked it in your water.
Well, if you did, here goes nothing. I was kidding. I looked in it. There was nothing.
You ate a bug?
No, there wasn't anything in there, Dumbo. I want that one. You stink.
What did I do? Oh, yeah.
3.
Wait. Ah!
3.
Right up my nose.
2.
Where's
1.
the ant?
Go. Just kidding.
Ah! Sorry, I just looked at that, but oh my god! That is disgusting. Not showing you the camera.
You're shoving my neck into the garbage. What, are you gonna behead me next?
Alrighty, I'm just gonna put into here some stuff that I really don't want to eat anymore in my life. Did you like these?
Yeah.
Should I give them to you?
Yes.
No.
Can I have one more licorice stick though?
We'll see. Did you like this?
Yeah. Great. I mean, there's like...
Thanks, I do. You're taking this downstairs.
No, I'm not.
No.
No, I'm not.
Wait.
I'm not helping you.
So yeah, this was the terrifying, apparently, unknown taste challenge.
More, it should be called a crappy taste challenge.
Cecilia.
It should. I'm not taking this.
Cecilia, you almost made me knock your water over.
There's no water left in it.
So yeah, that was a
Interesting.
fun thing.
No, wasn't.
I know what Cecilia wants now for her birthday present and Christmas present and all the... What did I do? Eat it.
Fine, I'll eat a whole one if you want me to.
You serious?
Yeah.
Wait, you have to look at the camera. Do it. You said the whole thing.
Yeah.
She's like so scared. Closer. You can't put it in.
Open the freaking garbage.
I don't have one. Here.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Hey, what's on my finger?
Oh my god, you scared me.
Give me another one.
No. So yeah, that was the fun taste test challenge. I'm so have fun with that. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. See ya.